Ahmed, who is graduated a year ago, celebrating his 1-year anniversary of being out in the workplace. Right around the corner over here. But he can tell you about that and some of his journey, woodworking journey. So I want to start off by just congratulating you on finishing the 7 weeks. I'm sure that it went by in a heartbeat. It went by faster than probably I think how fast it went. Right? And remember your first day here, first time you turned on the table saw, first cut you made, first time you had that router, first on you, first splinter. And I think that you probably learned a great deal more than you actually could even talk about right now. If we asked everything you learned, you wouldn't be able to recount all that you've learned. And there's a lot more to learn. All right, 7 weeks is a drop in the bucket in terms of time that it takes to learn this craft, this job, this industry. Right, there's so much. There's so many different techniques, so many different materials, so much to learn. There's finishing, there's turning, there's things that we don't even get to that you could do a whole 7-week training program on just like that. So a lot of stuff that you've learned, but a lot left to learn. And that's what happens next, right? So we can take this sort of raw, enthusiastic energy and talent, because you guys are, as a class, I think are very well suited to go out into the industry. You're a great group, and I want to thank you for being a great group, because you work really hard, you focused, you applied yourselves, and I think that will pay dividends in the long run when you get out into the workforce and sort of come to your job with the same kind of enthusiasm and questions. Right, Chris? They have a few questions. And that kind of thirst for knowledge and experience. Because it's really experience that is going to increase your knowledge, right? You don't necessarily know something until you've experienced it, until you've done it. And maybe you've done it 3 or 4 times, right? Yeah. Right? Elias? Yeah. Definitely. I can attest to that too, Sometimes it just takes time, and you've got to do it over and over again. And I hope that we've given you the foundation where you can go out and enter a workplace and excel and do well and make yourself an invaluable member of whatever team that you are joining, whatever shop you get into. So congratulations and thank you. And now it's my job to tell me what you owe me, right? And what you owe Cassandra, right? And what you owe Chris, right? Because we've given you 7 weeks of our undivided, well, maybe not undivided, but our divided attention. And we love it. When we have a class like this, and most of our classes are like this. They're they become a cohesive unit. Everybody gets along. Everybody's having fun. Everybody's learning a lot. And it's really enjoyable for us to have that kind of experience with you. But now, it's time to pay the piper. And what we need from you in return for this free 7-week program and hopefully the job placement that we will get you is to return our phone call. Right? So let us know if your contact information changes. And to give us your copy of your pay stub when we ask you. We'll need, 4 or 5 over the course of, we'll need 5 or 6 over the course of the next 2 years, so that we can prove to our funders that we do what we do and that we do it well, right? So if we can't prove that you're working somewhere, it's as if it didn't happen. It's as if none of this happened, okay? So it's really important for us to be able to document that you guys are working in the field. And that's it. That's all I ask. It's not a lot, right? Return our phone calls. Tell us when your contact information changes, and give us a pay stub. Right? That's it. All right. So Cassandra will be working with you closely after the holidays, really, because obviously it's a tough time to do interviews or any of that kind of stuff. But she'll be working with you closely to get you out there and to interview and to find you guys a job. That being said, if there are times if you find yourself, and we want you to do your own job searches too, don't rely on us entirely, because sometimes there are places out there that we don't know about, right? There's lots of construction companies and woodworking shops that they sort of come and go. So, you know, if you're paying attention to Craigslist and you see something, go for it, let us know. We'll always, you know, give you a reference, and if the employer has any questions about what you did here and who you are and what we think of you as people and workers, and it'll all be good. Then that's great. Yeah. If you find yourself not in a job right away and have some free time and you want to come in and volunteer, we're happy to have you come in, and you can you know, keep your skills up, put you on the table saw, cut from scratch for the next one. If there's stuff to do on the production side, we're involved in that. So if you want to stay in touch and involved, we're happy to do that. Just a little side note about that. If Cassandra gets a call about a job and you're here volunteering, guess who's the first one to get It's a good reason to keep in contact with us, too. Because if we can't get in touch with you, right, we make a call, we leave you a message, we send you an email, and we don't hear back from you for 2 days, the job could be gone. It usually is. So stay in touch with us. If you don't hear from us, call us. Feel free. Call us. I think Cassandra has a texting app with everybody on it, right? Send out a text. Anybody working? Who's working? You know? Nudge Cassandra a little bit. All right? So, that's it. Thank you.
I just want to thank everybody for being through. You're a great group. We have lots of good groups, but I really enjoyed working with this group. A couple bumps in the middle that we kind of freed us up a little bit. But we got through it, and everybody is a great worker. I mean, I always feel we go further and teach you more stuff, but really I'm trying to teach you a way to learn in this field, because you're going to be learning for the rest of your life. And I just keep your eyes and ears open, see how people do stuff, and be generous with what you know.